Hello everybody, with me again, Mikils. Today I'll show you how to do a beatbox. Before you can do a beatbox, there is a three basic pattern in beatbox. First is B, and then C, and then K. B is for the kick bass, and it sounds like, and T is for the hi-hat, and it sounds like, and the last is K. The K is for the snare, and it sounds like. You can hear that. So first we have learned how to do kick bass, the B sound. Kick bass is the basic for make a beat. So the kick bass it sound like. Before you can do that, you have say B. You can spell a B. B. You can spell B? Right, that's good. If you can spell a B, now add a little pressure in your mouth, and the sound will become like P, 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 P. If you can do that, we will continue to the next part is remove the E sound and make the beat sound like. You can do that? Let's see. That's right, you can do it. The next part is the hi-hat. The hi-hat it sounds like. It based from T, but you add an S in T, after T and S. So the sound is like. You can do that like whispering. Yes, at T, right? That's good. The last but not least, this is the K. The K is for the snare, and it sounds like. You can do that. It's easy. Just like you like want to clearing your throat, and then. Like Scream movie. Haha. You can do that? Let me see. That's good. Keep trying. If you can do all that beat like B, C, and K, and the sound everything is like B is B, C, and the K is. You can do that? That's right. That's good, yo. If you can do all that things, next is make that all of pattern make a good beat. The good beat is the basic good beat. It's like this. Is this a good beat? Can you see it? Can you see it? Listen. This is B, T, K. T, B, T, K. And if you can mix it, you'll make a beat like. Right. B, T, K, T, B, T, K. And you repeat. Back again, T. B, T, K, T, B, T, K. Back, B, T, K, T, B, T, K. And you can make a beat like. Right. If you can do all of this beat, you can make a freestyle beat. How to do a freestyle beat? It's easy. Just mix and create by yourself all of this beat. Like. Or you can make other beat like. Yo, that's from me. This is my school project. Videos. See ya.